Space melody on the beat.
Take flux.
Alright, people. Got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
So we're about to unbox Samsung Galaxy Watch Rose Gold 42mm Bluetooth connectivity comes with that. Samsung wireless charger dual. This is a bundle, okay? That's how you're gonna get it in your local store and online. Wherever you get it from has to be 1 and 2. Don't get it twisted. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, before all that, what's inside the box, that's what we're here for. Make sure to drop one of these. Turn on your notifications so you won't be missing out. Turn on that bell. Ding, 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 ding. To all of you, from all of us out here, we are wishing you a happy New Year in advance and happy Christmas that is already gone. To those of you that do celebrate Christmas. Other than that, without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Make sure to share the video. Sub to the channel if it's the first time out here. We love you all here and we love your support. Let's do it, man. All right, just talk a little bit about the spec for those of you that love the specs. Long battery life, we'll be talking about that. Putting it to the test as well. Fitness and wellness tracking, we'll be putting that to the test. 39 plus workout activities supported. And this, check this out, water resistant. We are talking about splash. This is water resistant, 5 ATM, 50 meters right down below, right there. You can take it to the swimming pool, believe me. All right, so we are going to put all that to the test. So without further ado, let's open this badass. Let's open this baby. Let's open this badass. It's time to open. Okay. Love the presentation, by the way. I should know Samsung comes with the goodies. Ooh, oh my goodness, this is beautiful. What do you think about it?
Oh, dusty.
This is for the lady, by the way. Lady Mamushki. Whoa, this is beautiful. Let me bring it up. I hope you can appreciate this. This is totally beautiful.
That's dope, innit?
Oh yeah, that's pretty dope right there. Wow. Let's do the spin test. The spin test, baby. Check it out, man. Woo! Let me smell that. Ooh. Smell fresh. Smell brand new. Okay. So we're about to talk about all the good stuff that comes with this and compare it quickly to its predecessors. All right. Let's see. Oh, comes out very, very easily. Okay. That's a 42mm. So it's not as big as the S3. All right. The S3 is right here. So you can see like the S3 is a big daddy. And this one is pretty smaller. Okay, I'm gonna put that on the side. Let's see. So what's inside the box? That's what we're here for. So let's keep this thing moving nice and easy.
Space melody on the beat.
Alright, people, what's inside the box? That's what we're here for. So what's inside the box? That's what we have inside the box. We have the charger, the little cradle, charger, charging port. This is pretty similar to the S3. The charger in there, the charging cable right there. Okay, that's the English version, by the way. Okay, and we have the band. You get your bands in there, the extra bands. You want to open that up. Ooh, that's beautiful. The same color, by the way. I like what kind of what? All right, this is rubbery. Okay, this is good. What number is that? Is it in there? That's L. That's L, large. Okay, that's good. Let's just zoom on that properly. You have a manual in there. All right. Tells you what to do. You know what's a manual. The watch itself, right here, the beauty. Okay,
Space.
loving this, fitting this. This has the Wi-Fi connectivity as well. Okay, the watch is pretty light. This is good for ladies, by the way. All right, this is for the missus, by the way. So yeah, this is what time it is with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Rose Gold. It's not the S series anymore. It's Galaxy Watch, just Galaxy Watch. I'm loving the two-tone or the three-tone, if we can call it like that. 1, 2, by the way, yeah, and 3,
Space melody.
yeah, 3, 4 on this styling here. Well, has a lot going for it. It has a lot going for it. We're about to power this up and see what this is about. Okay, ladies and gents, so make sure to drop one of these quick spec. Make sure to read that to connect this. To connect this with your phone, you need a 5.0 or higher Android. So, ladies and gents, as already said, I'm going to leave all the links and description of the product on screen for you to read. Okay, so you know exactly what to do if you are a beginner with this thing. Other than that, make sure to share the video if it's any useful to you. Check out these two Credo, man. Pretty much the same, isn't it? Pretty much the same Credo. Okay, let me see if this will charge on it. Will it charge on it? Yes or no? Would you? It is charging on it. Have a look. It's on. Yep, it's charging on it. There you have it. So this already have 72 worth of battery in there. Let's power it up. So use this dial here. Will power your phone on and off. This is to scroll, okay, between apps and so on and so forth. All right, to go home, you double click this and you should be coming back home. So first booting, man. So yeah, we need to out of the box, you need to connect this thing to your phone to make it function. So I'm gonna do that. Once we are done with that, we'll come back. Love you all here. We love your support, guys. So to connect, go on Samsung Galaxy Gear store. If you can't see your phone, your watch there, go to Samsung app. Make sure everything is updated, fully updated, so you can take advantage of all the new features, guys. So quick setup, guys. Press on your new watch. All right, this is how you're gonna set this thing up. You wanna put a code in there. All right, pair accepted. Yeah, just gonna accept that. So you just follow these steps, you know, show on screen. This should be going easy as speedy for you to connect your new device to your phone, vice versa, by the way. All right, so if you're a fitness fanatic, you're definitely gonna be well served with the Samsung Galaxy watch. They are #1 in tracking, in terms of tracking device. All right, your fitness tracking and so on and so forth. Samsung is definitely one of the best out there. Don't get it twisted. They started this thing before Apple have even dreamt about it. Remember that? This is almost done. We're almost there. I'm gonna pause the video. When we're done, we'll come back. Just follow the instruction on screen, guys. It's almost done. Almost done, baby. Setup complete to the bone. How to use. Okay, so set you just follow the on-screen instructions to learn how to connect your thing. I'm gonna be showing a full video about how to connect or how to use the Galaxy Watch. If you're interested, make sure to double check that out. Notification and settings and so on and so forth. So after all the charabia, all you need to do is just press done and you should be served. Watch paired. Watch paired, baby. So you have to agree to all. Make sure you read before agreeing. Okay, report diagnostic. I don't like to do that. So agree to all. Next, skip. I don't want to restore. There's nothing to restore, believe me. I don't want my old phone.
You're all set.
Okay, so you happy for your new watch?
Very happy.
Better be. All right. So couple of quick walkthrough with the Galaxy Watch. One beautiful thing with the Galaxy Watch is the bezel. Just turn the bezel to do everything you want to do, baby. Just turn it. Oh, look at that watch face. That was beautiful, man.
Yeah.
So for a notification, a bunch of things, everything that you need to do, you just have to come around here, spin this, spin the bezel, spin the bezel. Anyway, let me just follow the instructions that's on screen. I hope you can read what's there. All right, swipe up and down for more information. Palms to turn off your watch and turn it back on. That's it. I'm loving this. I'm loving this presentation of the watch. I love it. What do you think about it all? Good?
Very beautiful.
Ooh, beautiful. That's the name. The new name of Galaxy Watch is beautiful. So check this thing out. That's for your fitness tracking. It tells you exactly what you have done during the day. This will track your steps and so on and so forth. Add contact by clicking. You can add more contacts. I'm going to take that off. Yeah, create reminders. You can do that on your watch straight away. Events today, you can create events and so on and so forth. Stress, this is a new features on this watch, which everybody's talking about, the stress app. This will measure your stress and give you guidance to relax. Okay, a couple of relaxation guidance you will be getting from your watch now. So measure, I'm just pretending I'm gonna put my finger beneath and let's see what's gonna happen. Live. Let's see if making a YouTube video if it's stressing or what. So this may take a little while due to the first booting, but if not, it's almost there. And I'm talking. Let's see what we're getting now. You see, you just have to breathe, baby, breathe, baby. So yeah, let's keep it moving. You can add your workouts. We got 36. If I'm correct, let me check on the box what it says there on this side of the box. 39 plus. Yeah. So that's running, walking, cycling, hiking, swimming. You got a bunch of them here. All right. I'm a veteran when it comes for the Samsung watches. So I know a thing or two about the Samsung watches. I've been with them since the beginning. If you check our channel, you know exactly what we're talking about. So yeah, it's getting better and better. These are for all your workouts. All the workout that you can imagine in this world are represented here. Okay. Exactly. It's true. I don't know if the video can do it justice, but the bezel has a nice sound about it, and it's very, very steady, pretty responsive, as you can see. Left, right, up and down. Okay, if you want to go back home, just press here, then you can carry on. You can this will carry, I think we got 4 gigabytes in here, which means you can upload your video in there your sound in there. Loads of music can go in here. Okay, let's keep it moving. News, alt, pedometers. You will squeeze there. Okay, so going back is pretty simple as pressing this dial here. This one is for your on and off button. Okay, if you hard press on the watch face, it takes you into the watch faces. Okay, you can choose your watch faces. You can download more from the App Store. I'm going to be showing that on another video, by the way. I don't want this video to be too long. So you got a whole bunch of watch faces. Okay, a bunch of watch faces, and I'm loving a lot of what have happened here. Okay, so if you click on there, this should take you to to your phone, and from there you can download your watch faces. Okay, ladies and gents, boys and girls, we are about to couldn't connect, never mind that. So once I press go back, the back button, there we go. I love these watch faces. What do you think about it?
Very
Super mamush, very beautiful. You're gonna try this on, so we will be coming back for that. That's the S3 on one side, which is the black one. On the gold one is the S, the new Galaxy watch. And I'm going to show you another one, which is the same size as this one right here. This is 42 mm as well, just as this one. All right, but this one kind of looks slightly bigger. This looks slightly bigger.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Looks slightly bigger. There you go. Evolution, by the way. I'm loving it.